Good morning, class students. Yesterday we started surface area and value. Today I am going. Yesterday we discussed about formulas of 3D figures. So today I am going to explain some problems on that concept. Here is the first question from the topic. Find the LSA means lateral surfaces area and TSA total surfaces area of cube whose side is 4 centimeters. What is the question here? Find the LSA and TSA of a cube whose side is 4 centimeters. Now solution. So here one cube there. The side of the cube is 4 centimeters. Yesterday I explained in cube length and breadth and height all three are equal. Then here I am taking that side A is equal to 4 centimeters. I am taking that side A is equal to 4 centimeters. Now I need the LSA and TSA. For example, LSA means lateral surfaces area of cube. What is the formula here? 4A square. It means 4 into, what is A? 4 whole square. It is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64. So what is the area here? Lateral surfaces area is nothing but 64 centimeters square. Next, what I need here? I need TSA. TSA means total surfaces area. What is the formula? 6A square. 6 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16. 16 6 is 96. So what is the LTSA here? 96 centimeters square. So to find the lateral surfaces area of cube is 4A square. To find the total surfaces area of cube is equal to 6A square. Then after find TSA and LSA and the value of cuboid whose length is equal to 6 centimeters, breadth is equal to 4 centimeters and height is equal to 2 centimeters. Here what is the second question? Find TSA and LSA and volume of cuboid whose length is equal to 6 centimeters, breadth is equal to 4 centimeters, height is equal to 2 centimeters. See, in this problem only one dimension mentioned. Why? Because in cube all sides are equal. Length value and breadth value and height value 3 are equal. But in cuboid, length and breadth and height 3 are different. Here length is equal to 6 centimeters, breadth is equal to 4 centimeters, height is equal to 2 centimeters. What I need? I need here LSA and also TSA and also value. Solution. Length of the cuboid is equal to 6 centimeters. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to 4 centimeters. Height of the cuboid is equal to 2 centimeters. First, what I need here? I need TSA. TSA means total surfaces area. What is the formula to find TSA of cuboid? To have LB plus BH plus LH. To find the total surfaces area of cuboid. To have LB plus BH plus LH. What is the length here? 6. 6 into 4 plus B into H means 4 into 2 plus L into H 6 into 2. 2 bracket 6 fours are 24, 4 twos are 8 plus 6 twos are 12. TACR cuboid is equal to 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 24 44. So it is 2 into 44 is equal to 88 centimeter square. So what is the TACR of the required cuboid? 88 centimeter square. So length of the cuboid is equal to 6 centimeters and breadth is equal to 4 centimeters and height is equal to 2 centimeters. Next what I need? LSA of cuboid. What is the lateral surface area of cuboid? 2h bracket L plus B 2 into. What is the height here? 2. Length how much here? 6 plus 4. 2 2s are 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 plus 4 10. So LSA of the required cuboid is equal to 40 centimeter square. Next what I need? I need value. What is the formula to find value of cuboid? LBH. Length is 6 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters and height is 2 centimeters. 6 4s are 24. 24 2s are 48. So the value is equal to 48 centimeter cube. The value of a cuboid is 1200 centimeter cube. Here value of the required cuboid is 12 centimeter cube. The length is 15 centimeters and breadth is 10 centimeters. Find its height. Solution. First of all, what is the length of the cuboid? Length of the cuboid is equal to 15 centimeters. And also breadth of the cuboid is 10 centimeters. Here I don't know the height of the cuboid. So let that be x centimeters. So I am taking height of the cuboid is equal to x centimeters. Then what is the value here? Value of cuboid is equal to 1200 centimeter cube is equal to 1200 centimeter cube. What is the formula to find value of cuboid? LBH. LBH is equal to 1200. What is the value of the length? 15 centimeters. And what is the value of the breadth? 10 centimeters. Into h is equal to 1200. Now 15 and 10 I am transporting to right side. H is equal to 1200 by 15 into 10. H is equal to 1200 by 15 into 10. 0 0 cancel. Here 15 ones are 15 eights are. So what is the height of the required cuboid? 8 centimeters. So 9th class students, one of the important concept question. How does the total surface area change if each change of a box if each dimension is double and also each dimension is triple? Solution. Let that box is in cube shape. So I don't know what is the shape of that box. How does the total surface area change of a box if each dimension is double, each dimension is triple? I don't know what is the shape of that box. Let that box is in cube shape. What is the first concept? Each side of box I am taking as k centimeters. Side of box I am taking as k centimeters. Why? Because length and breadth and height all are equal in cube. What is the concept? First, total surfaces area of box. Total surfaces area of box. What is the shape of that box? Cube. It is nothing but 6k square. It means 6k square. 6k square. Next, what is the concept? If each dimension is double. If each dimension is double, what is the previous side of the cube? K. See, side. Now I am taking as 2k. Why? Because each dimension is double. Then total surface area of new box. What is the formula? 6a square. It means 6 into 2k whole square. 6 into 2k whole square. It means 6 into 4k square. We can write as 4 into 6k square. 4 into 6k square. So, if each dimension is doubled, total surface area changes to 6 times to previous box. If I took side as k, total surface area of the box is 6k square. Next, what I did doubled. It means side I am taking as 2k. Total surface area is equal to 6a square. That is nothing but 4 into 6k square. So if each dimension is doubled, total surface area changes 4 times to that box. Next, second concept. If each dimension is tripled, it means now I am taking side as 3k. Now I am taking side as 3k. It means total surface area of new box is equal to 6a square. So 6 into 3k whole square. It means 6 into 9k square. So 9 into 6k square. Here, if I triple each dimension, total surface area changes 9 times to previous. Here, what is the conclusion? If each dimension is doubled, total surface area increases to 4 times. If each dimension is tripled, total surface area increases to 9 times. 9th class students, here is the homework on today's class. Find the TSA and LSA and volume of a cube whose side is 10 centimeters. Find TSA and LSA and volume of cuboid whose length is equal to 4 centimeters, breadth is equal to 10 centimeters, height is equal to 2 centimeters. The total surface area of cube is 1350 centimeters square. Here I know total surface area, but I don't know side of the cube. First you have to find the side of the cube. Then after you have to find the value. So students, complete today's homework.